Hey everyone, I am Zach and we are live in Texas. Normally I'm coming to you live from our Golden Valley facility. Today I am with our team. We are in Hempstead, Texas. That's about 50 miles outside of the Houston area. We flew into Houston last night. It was just kind of a travel day. Today we are actually on the ground. We have a crew of 5 members and we've split into 2 for today. So we have half of our crew is actually in Houston. They are helping with Houston SPCA at their main shelter. And then the other half of our crew, we're here in Hempstead and we are working with Houston SPCA at one of their sanctuaries. They have a 350-acre ranch that they rent, and we are caring for some horses, goats, and other large animals that were displaced by Hurricane Harvey and some of the flooding. And we're going to take you through some of that and just kind of show you exactly what is going on. So I'm going to flip the camera around and you can see we are just in this large barn area. Here are some of the donkeys that were displaced by the flooding. We have some horses, some little pygmy goats, some more goats over here, and really a lot of these animals, they came in, either they were essentially strays. They got separated from their owners on their ranches and had to be rescued from floodwaters, or their owners actually came and said, I don't have a place for my animal to go, I don't have a place for me to go, can you temporarily house my animal while we are trying to get back to a normal life. And let's go see, we're going to check in. We have 2 team members. We have Dustin and Yvette who are working here right now. And you know, one of the big things is just these horses, they require a lot of care. There's a lot of cleaning involved. We have some stallions, we have a foal over here. And our team, even though Animal Humane Society, we really do specialize in companion animals, we have a lot of expertise in really all animals. And Dustin and Yvette are really, they have a history of working with horses and other large animals. This is Yvette over here. And you can see the horse that she is working with, I'm just gonna kind of sneak in here real quick, was actually rescued from floodwaters. And you can see some of the bandaging on the legs. And in this barn, until our crew arrived, there were 2 Houston SPCA workers who were really in charge of all of these animals, caring for them right now. So quite the task, and we're able to provide just a little bit of relief with some of the cleaning, some of the feeding, some of the watering. Keeping busy, Yvette?
Yes, I am. Loving it.
She said loving it. And so, I mean, it really is just, it's a huge effort. And when we were flying down here and driving, you couldn't really see a lot of the floodwaters, but once we came into the shelter environment and to this little sanctuary, you could really tell, I mean, there's just been a lot of animals that have been displaced because of Hurricane Harvey. And real quick, we have to go check out my favorite companions, the goats. So yeah, it's not just dogs, cats, critters. We have a lot of livestock, a lot of large animals that do need some assistance. And so again, we are in Hempstead, Texas, which is about 50 miles outside of the Houston area. And I'm going to step outside real quick so you can take a look, because it really is just some beautiful scenery. And this is the ranch that we are on. This is a 350-acre ranch that is being rented out by Houston SPCA. And so when they take in some of the horses, they're able to really give them an area to graze, to run around. Really, they set an area where they can just be a horse again for a little bit, and then after that they're able to bring them in to their stalls, to the pole barn, where they really are able to get some of that specialty care, some of the medical treatment, and just the food, water, and shelter that they need. But I think we are going to get back to work. We have a lot to do today. I'll check in again when we can, so keep following us on our social media channels, and we are going to be helping a lot more animals. So again, today we are in Hempstead, Texas, about 50 miles outside of Houston. We landed in Houston yesterday. We have a team that currently is in Houston, working with Houston SPCA at their main shelter downtown, and then we have a crew here working also with Houston SPCA at their ranch with some of the larger animals, the horses, goats. We have a donkey in there, and some more pygmy goats, my favorite. But again, we're just going to get back to work, so thanks for tuning in, and we will check in again when we can. Have a great day, everyone.